Hi, my name is Alan Peck. I'm a Managing Director with Valenta. I'm a Managing Partner with Valenta as well in the state of Connecticut as a franchise owner. My background is coming from the surgical device industry, and there I worked as a team builder and engaging in relationships with surgeons to help patient outcomes. How that translates to Valenta and the value proposition for me was really to continue to leverage those relationships and the vertical market and the expertise that I've grown to know over the last 20 years and really help those individuals go even further in being even better at what they're doing through the services that Valenta offers. As a Managing Director at Valenta, it allows me to speak to like-minded people looking to take that next step in their career, to learn what it means to be an entrepreneur, to improve their work-life balance, to think about things maybe they haven't thought about before. And that's really the value of what we do. My real excitement comes when you bring somebody into something, you develop them, and you see them be incredibly successful. And that's really what my main purpose is as Managing Director, is to really help our managing partners develop, get off to a really fast start, and be successful and gain immediate traction. What I'm most excited about with Valenta is the fact that we're just getting started here in the United States. We have product specialists and managing partner specialists in many different vertical markets. We have the flexibility and the agility to customize our solutions for almost any vertical market, and I've done that very successfully with some of my partners as well. So thanks for joining us and thanks for learning more about Valenta. We look forward to speaking with you in the future and wish you all the success.